Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to change or set default gateway on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to change your default gateway on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you simple method how to do this. First of all, you have to just click on this search menu, then type here control panel. You can change your default gateway from control panel. You can see your network and internet. Click on that. Click on network and sharing center. In this, here you will find change adapter settings. Click on this. Select your Ethernet. Double click on that. Here you can see Internet Protocol version 4. Double click on this. You have to select as use this following IP address. Here you can see default gateway. You can assign default gateway whatever you want. After assigning the default gateway, just click on OK. Click on yes. Click on OK. Once you have to enable and disable this option, just disable it and enable again. That's it guys. So in this way you can change or set default gateway on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.